is an antelope, kirkidekdek. Wild food. Eating hard raw meat that is not easy to be tearing up by the teeth. Oh, tender meat. Starting the fire. Using the pot to boil the meat and extracting the soup to get the food ready to eat. Hunting is deeply embedded in the Hadzabe's cultural identity and traditions. It is practice passed down through generations and is integral to the way of life, social structures, and community bonding. They dig small hole or make a shallow depression in the ground. This helps to keep the fire stick stable during the process and contain the embers once the fire starts. The Hadzabe use fire drill or fire plow method, where one stick is rapidly rotated or rubbed against another piece of wood to generate heat through friction. The small depression in the ground helps to focus the effort and catch the hot embers produced. As the friction generates enough heat, it creates an ember in the fine wood dust collected in the depression. This ember is then carefully transferred to a nest of tinder, usually dry grass or leaves. The Hadzabe gather dry wood and other tinder. They often use specific type of wood known for their effectiveness in creating friction-based fire. The ember is nurtured and fanned until it ignites the tinder, creating a small flame, which is then carefully built up into a large fire using progressively large piece of wood. Traditional cooking methods including boiling food over an open fire, which is conducive to making soup. The Hadzabe typically use simple durable cookware, often created from locally available material. When an animal is fresh hunted, the Hadzabe sometimes eats part of it raw. This can happen immediately after the kill, when the meat is at its freshest and considered safe to eat without cooking. Eating raw meat can be a part of a certain cultural practice or ritual. For instance, consuming the liver or other organs raw might hold a particular significance or believed to impart strength or vitality. When the Hadzabe are out hunting, cooking meat might not always be practical. Eating some of the catch raw can provide immediate sustenance and energy without the need to make a fire and cook. After hunting, the Hadza use all parts of animal, and making soup from bones, organs, and meat is common practice. This is not only ensures that is not part of the animal is wasted, but also provide a way to extract maximum nutrients, including those from the bone marrow and connective tissues. Soups are a practical way for the Hadza to stay hydrated and to absorb vital nutrients and minerals from both plants and animals. They are especially beneficial during dry season when water might be scarce, and the liquid content of the soup helps with hydration. The Hadzabe have traditionally had minimal processing method for their food. While they do cook a significant portion of their diet, the practice of eating some food raw aligns with their overall approach to consuming what nature provides with minimal alteration.
Watle yako ama bo. Watle yako ama kuwa peka ima ko be. Ah na na ta. Aba ya tu. Na ahaka na. Abutamo. Sini yako dokwa. Oh ami. Sini yako dokwa. Kama na ana na ko inatakiwa kwa kuti kukuka. Tai. Kilamba sinepe hapi. Puna malali everything. Chiribana. Chiribana tena. Shoga se. Tamtana na koko. Tani mama na. Audi bana. Beno lipa ana. Audi siripa. Tama na. Chibichiba na kudu. Ani ko right moja aweka la. Ama na sichege ama na. Sogele kumtaka mna mabanana. Ai ata kuwepo. Ana kuwepo chile bomba. La mise ngwe tia mo manako. Manako amo uchame ngwe tia. Kuat kata. Ta. Uchame. Inge. Namtaibo ko manate. I chata abi kata. Acha. Acha na bamunyon. Mulaya pula. Tak ya mulaya pula. Kau shaka tak kau.
While eating rami is part of the traditional practice, the Hadzabe also cook much of their food, including meat, using various methods such as roasting over an open fire, boiling, or smoking. This balance allows them to benefit from different nutritional aspects and manage food safety according to their extensive traditional knowledge.
Apa yang ngong? Jangan kita ada. Aku tu sini. Ini ba. Tak boleh kita video masih di kubu-kubu. Shit, aku pode. Ciao ima akan pada awak. Opat. Aku koi. Aku buat. Kakak tu gini. Puji aku. Wah, apa? Aku tu pun
The Hadzabe have a deep knowledge of the environment and the animal they hunt, which inform their decision on what can be safely consumed raw. Their long history and tradition guide them in this practice.